Most people use credit cards without thinking about the fees involved. Merchants pay a percentage of the transaction amount to the bank. This fee is usually a percentage of the transaction amount plus a fixed fee. Banks also make money from interest on loans and credit card debt. Credit card companies charge high interest rates on outstanding balances. Many people struggle to pay off their credit card debt each month. Banks profit from the difference between the interest they earn and pay. This difference is known as the lending spread or net interest margin. Payment rails are the systems that facilitate transactions between banks. Banks charge fees for using these payment rails, such as ATM fees. Account inertia refers to the tendency of people to stick with their current bank. This inertia allows banks to charge higher fees and interest rates. Banks use various tactics to keep customers from switching to other banks. Free checking accounts and rewards programs are examples of these tactics. However, these perks often come with conditions and hidden fees. Banks also profit from the data they collect on their customers' spending habits. This data is used to target advertisements and offer personalized services. Credit card companies use this data to determine creditworthiness and interest rates. The more data banks have, the more they can profit from targeted advertising. Online payment systems, such as PayPal, also charge fees for transactions. These fees are usually a percentage of the transaction amount plus a fixed fee. Mobile payment systems, such as Apple Pay, also charge fees for transactions. Banks are investing heavily in digital payment systems to stay competitive. Contactless payment systems, such as Tap to Pay, are becoming increasingly popular. These systems use near-field communication technology to facilitate transactions. Banks are also using artificial intelligence to improve their services and reduce costs. AI-powered chatbots are being used to provide customer support and answer questions. Banks are also using machine learning to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions. However, the increasing use of technology also raises concerns about security and privacy. Banks must balance the need for convenience and security with the need to protect customer data. Customers must also be aware of the fees and risks associated with using credit cards and digital payment systems. By understanding how banks profit from ordinary habits, customers can make informed decisions about their financial lives. Education and awareness are key to avoiding hidden fees and high interest rates. Customers should always read the fine print and ask questions before signing up for financial products. Banks have a responsibility to provide clear and transparent information about their fees and services. Regulators also play a crucial role in protecting consumers and promoting fair banking practices. Ultimately, it is up to customers to take control of their financial lives and make informed decisions. By being aware of the hidden fees and risks, customers can save money and achieve their financial goals. Banks will continue to evolve and adapt to changing consumer behaviors and technological advancements. As the financial landscape continues to shift, it is essential for customers to stay informed and vigilant. By doing so, customers can navigate the complex world of banking and personal finance with confidence. The key to avoiding hidden fees and high interest rates is to be aware of the terms and conditions. Customers should always prioritize their financial well-being and take steps to protect themselves. By taking control of their financial lives, customers can achieve financial stability and security. Banks will continue to play a crucial role in the economy, but customers must be aware of their practices. Education and awareness are essential for making informed decisions about financial products and services. Customers should always be cautious when using credit cards and digital payment systems. By being informed and vigilant, customers can avoid hidden fees and achieve their financial goals. The future of banking will be shaped by technological advancements and changing consumer behaviors. As the financial landscape continues to evolve, customers must stay informed and adapt to the changes. By doing so, customers can navigate the complex world of banking and personal finance with confidence and achieve financial stability. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.